Hello people, come eat with me. What I have here, what I got here is a bunch of rambutan. Let's eat rambutan, guys. I found this shop that is selling fruits at a very cheap price. A rambutan is nice. It's a Monday. And I just came home. I just literally parked my car. The engine is still on. And let me eat first some fruits. I'm really hungry. I haven't eaten lunch today. So, can you just imagine how starving I am right now? This is the correct way to eat rambutan. Eat everything except the seed. Rambutan eating tutorial. Oh, that's the guy. Okay. This is my lunch and this is my dinner. Last one. I need to go up now as I need to do something urgent. This one bunch of rambutan cost me $2 plus. And it's like more than 20 pieces. Considered cheap. It's also very sweet. Yeah, it's cloudy today. It was raining very hard today in Singapore. I mean this morning. I said that's the last one, but it's kind of like I'm really hungry. Still a lot left. You see? Okay, that's all, people. Bye.